Hi, my name is Jonathan.
I'm Wei Chen.
I'm Harold.
I'm Xiang.
We are from Group 401 and we are going to present you our trebuchet.
When we talk about the trebuchet, the first thing that people think of is the battle machine used in a war. Actually, the design of a trebuchet is based on the simple dynamic system called complicated dynamical system. At first, the energy is stored as the trebuchet is cocked. When it's fired, the stored potential energy will convert into both kinetic and potential energy. The trebuchet was designed with the use of virtual trebuchet simulator, with the use of equations of motion as well as calculation for aerodynamic drag to calculate the trajectory and efficiency of the projectiles. During these calculations, the components of the trebuchet are considered rigid. The trebuchet was adjusted to the perfect release angle, which is between 35 to 45 degrees. As in between these angles, the weight can be thrown at a large distance at a very high velocity and thus considerable damage.
Now, let us look at the testing method of trebuchet. To obtain our range, we first input our inertial conditions into the virtual trebuchet simulator. Then, the first projectile mass, which is 3 kg, was set in the first case. After that, various properties were changed and the simulator was run until a setting that satisfied all our target specification was found. Then, the counterweight mass was changed in increment and the distance achieved was recorded. This process was repeated for the remaining 5 kg and 7 kg mass, and a graph of counterweight mass against distance was plotted. From this graph, the counterweight mass to achieve the required distance for each projectile mass can be found, and the correct counterweight mass can be set. For modification, our design team has put a lot of thought and attention into the improvement of the design of our trebuchet. We have made several major modifications to our trebuchet. One of them being the installation of 4 wheels with the arrangement shown in the figure. The wheels installed not only serve the purpose of supporting the weight of the system, they also allow the user to move or change each direction easily. Other than that, we have also installed brakes to each of the wheels. There will be a translational movement of the trebuchet when launching a projectile due to the conservation of momentum and leftover energy in the swinging beam. So, brakes are used to absorb the remaining energy, thus impeding any translational movement of the trebuchet. And lastly, we have installed a metal flooring on the trebuchet platform, which is right under the long arm.
When the lock is released and the long arm begins to travel up, the projectile will slide on the ground for a distance before it is lifted off the ground by a rope attached to the end of long arm. Since metal has a relatively small coefficient of friction compared to the ground, by having a metal flooring for the projectile to slide on will reduce the energy loss due to frictional force. In addition, we can also apply lubricant on the flooring to further reduce the energy loss. As a result, by conserving the energy in the system with our modifications, we can launch the projectile to a longer range. In light of recent events, we have also included a hand sanitizer dispenser beside the trigger to adhere to sanitary requirements. And a box of masks is also included in every purchase of a trebuchet. This is all part of our efforts as a responsible company to keep our customers safe. Our trebuchet is highly reliable as it can maintain a very consistent energy and range efficiency of above 70%. This means that you can use any mass of projectile you like to launch the projectile to reach an actual angle that you want it to by only changing the counterweight of our trebuchet. This makes it very convenient when adjusting the target range. Regarding the counterweight, We believe most people will be curious about how we can change the counterweight. Our team decided to design a weight system that allows for the counterweight of our trebuchet to be changed easily. We will produce you with 15 metal plates that are 10 kg each so that you can set the weight as how you like. We suggest starting the counterweight with 4 metal plates as you need some weight to support the arm as well.
Our trebuchet is available from the fantastic price of 2,000 Australian dollars duty-free. This price includes supplementary items and free delivery to your location. Besides that, we also provide 6 months premium international free replacement. On top of that, we have a 30-day satisfaction guarantee or full refund policy to ensure the satisfaction of our customers. As the trebuchet is constructed out of wood, customers have the option for a complimentary paint job of a color of their choice, or they can simply opt for a rustic barewood finish. Either way, you are sure to be the envy of your friends. Custom graphics and company logos can also be painted on by special request. To summarize, we believe that we have designed our trebuchet to the highest standards and can effectively satisfy the hearts of our customers, and believe that our customers can have 100% confidence in our war machine. Thank you.